Hi guys, it is time for new releases. I don't have a ton for you guys, but I have some really exciting stuff. I have a kit I've been teasing for like 2 weeks, maybe even longer, and then I have all of my summer multicolor. So before I jump in, I wanted to address some questions I got. I got a question of when I'll be having new releases, and the answer to that is kind of whenever. I'm not a shop where if something sells out, I never bring it back, and I don't really do sales as much on new releases. I do free shipping sometimes, like we'll see in a second, but I don't want to put myself on too strict of a schedule because that's usually what turns me off from the whole process. I'm kind of more as I have stuff, release it. So I don't know when new releases are usually coming. I'm going to try to stick to doing them only on Fridays just because I think that's a very normal thing. And I'm also thinking of bringing back $2 Tuesdays. I used to do these multicolor sheets that I personally pulled in all the time. So let me know if anybody's interested in those. So for this weekend of new releases, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are going to run the same sale I did last time I had new releases, which is free shipping on orders $10 or more. That's kind of just one of those things I love. I love offering free shipping because I kind of feels like a way to give you kind of a guilt-free, if you will, purchase if you just get one thing. So for me, if I'm buying from a shop, I usually like to buy a lot of stuff at once since I'm paying $3-4 for shipping. But with free shipping, I want you guys to feel like you can only grab that one vertical kit or those 2 mini kits that you want without feeling like you need to pile on your cart, and you can be, reasonable with yourself because the shipping is free. So that will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, no coupon code, just automatically applied. I have for you guys, again, like I said before, one new kit in vertical and mini in our summer multicolor, but I'm actually going to start with the summer multicolor because it's pretty quick. So let's start by zooming in. Alright, for my multicolor for the summer, I both reformatted it and really chose colors much different than I've ever done before. I took a peek at all the summer kits that I used last year, plus the ones that I have already come out with, and I chose colors that I thought would match. So these are all the colors. You'll see a lot of blues and then like a lot of pinks because those are really the colors I see the most. And I put in some other ones that I really think are going to work. In fact, I've already used my summer multicolor a few times in some Plan With Me's. I know you guys have seen that. So the first one you have on here is your work labels. These are to mark off work and they are the size of little things. We have our camera littles. I use these to mark either when I'm filming or when I post to Instagram. I like to use these. We have hydrate little things to mark, water consumption. Then we get into the slightly larger stickers. We have our bill dues. These are the ones that I've pulled into several spreads. Habit trackers, video trackers, and you'll see that since these are slightly larger, I couldn't use as many colors because, obviously not as much, but I just chose the colors that I think would be most popular. So bill dues, habit trackers, and then these video trackers are a little different than the ones I released last time I put out multicolor. I made them a little shorter just because I thought that would be, like they just took up too much space in my planner. Then we get the movie marquees. Again, I don't have as much room to put stickers, so I chose the colors I thought would be most popular. And then these are pretty short and there's no lines in them. That's how I prefer them. And then lastly, we have the glitter headers. So you actually get 2 sheets of them, again, in the most popular colors. And I've actually pulled these in now to a spread as well because last week, I think, the sticker kit I used didn't come with glitter headers. So the pricing for these is for all of these that are a single sheet like this, it's $2, but since you get 2 sheets with the glitter headers, it is $4. And again, free shipping, so if you grab all of these, you won't have to pay for shipping because it's $10 or over. So that is my summer multicolor. I'm going to see which sheets you guys like and which ones I'm personally missing from my multicolor line. But if you have any suggestions for fall multicolor, just because I don't think I'll add into summer, let me know because I've already started accumulating the colors that I want to choose for my fall multicolor. Alright, now for the fun stuff, the kit. I have been chatting about this kit for a while, and it's because I'm obsessed with it. So let me quickly open it up for you guys. And we're starting with the vertical. So first of all, this is the freebie that I put in this one. I am going to kind of mix it up with the freebie. I printed off a few of my old ones as well as my more recent ones, and I'm just going to kind of grab a random one. But I have a ton of these, so you'll mostly be seeing this one. So this kit is called Sunflowers, and if you know me, you'll know that I am obsessed with sunflowers. I think they are the most beautiful flower there is. I love growing them every summer, and I'm obsessed with them. So I saw this art come out from one of my favorite digital shops. It's called it's called Bloomsicle. I usually don't buy her art to use for kits just because, in all honesty, it is more expensive, but I'm just so obsessed with this. And also her art is like more watercolory, which is not always my style. But again, obsessed with this art, and I'll try to remember to link her down below in case you're interested in purchasing the art. So the feel I wanted to go with this was very flower heavy and kind of just a little simple. So let me walk you through the full boxes. On the top left, you have just a bike with sunflowers, a basket with sunflowers, the little boots with the bows, and then the girl. We have a part of a scene. We have this table that's just kind of like serene. We have this double box scene and just a field of sunflowers. I'm going to walk you through the layout of the kit as well. So on the side you have 5 flags. These two match, and then you have one blank flag just because occasionally I want to just white out basically one of the flags. You also get this for free with it, which is a extra full boxes. So you get 3 more girls and another skin tone and 2 more hair colors, and then you do just get a blank field just in case you don't like random girls in your planner. I know that sometimes I'm not a fan of that. I'm personally against having like faces in my planner. It just feels weird to me, especially if it's not like my face or someone I know. So because she had her back turned, I think I would use it, but I wanted to include a blank one just in case you guys don't like that. So this next page shows you the colors of the kit. I went with blue because there's just so much beautiful blue in this, and green because you can't have like floral anything without green. And then I chose 2 shades from the sunflowers. So this page has your 8 ombre checklists and 2 strip checklists. And then you'll see on the next few pages you get 2 strip checklists everywhere. We have 4 pattern boxes, 4 solid boxes, 4 quarter boxes, 4 skinny labels, 4 thicker labels, 2 habit trackers, and 2 build do's. Sorry, I need to move that up a little. We have our solid washi little things. On this page, we have 2 ombre checklists, 2 weekend banners. For the character stickers, and I did make sure these were stocked up in the shop in case you want to purchase sheets of these, I went with the girls riding the bicycle because I just thought, with the bike in this and it being kind of a fun kit, I thought they would be perfect. We have movie marquees and 3-dot checklists, our small icons, and canceled, rescheduled, nope, and forgot. The next page has our large icons, our deco, our date dots, and the lovely date covers and the plan next week sticker. We have the glitter headers, regular headers, some more labels and flags, and then the pattern washi and bottom washi. So that is the Sunflowers vertical kit. I am absolutely freaking obsessed with this kit. It's just, I know I've been talking about sunflowers like non-stop the last few weeks, but that's because summer is coming and I can feel the anticipation of basically just flowers. As always, my vertical kits are $10, so if you just want to pick up this kit right here, you can get it for $10 and it is free shipping. Let's show you the mini kit next. The mini kits are $5, so you would need to pick up 2 of these suckers to be able to reach my minimum, or the mini kit and some multicolor. So again, I have this freebie in here, and we have the same full box freebie. I also have my glitter headers. These are an optional $1 add-on if you would like to add these onto this kit. We have the same full boxes, but instead of having flags, this page has our weekend banner. We have our bottom washi, pattern washi, and 2 habit trackers. We have 8 checklists, 2 ombre weeklies. And I'd love to hear your opinions on this. I wasn't sure if maybe to change one of these ombre weeklies to an ombre checklist and replace these 2. Let me know. So these 2 3-dot checklists, 2 appointment labels, 2 flags. We have our beautiful deco and some small icons. Some headers, some little things, some half boxes, quarter boxes, and labels, and then some lovely gals on the side riding their bike. Alright, that is all the new releases. We've got our multicolor and our 2 kits. As a reminder, free shipping just this weekend. And and that's for orders $10 or more. And if you ever have any suggestions, always feel free to reach out. But I am so excited about this kit. It is just so gorgeous, and it's everything I wanted it to be, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!